Oh, sh oh. Oh. We can get it up there, I promise.
Tip it up there, right?
No, I'll get it up.
Tipping it to the your way, Andy? Yeah. Probably has to go back in that street.
Oh my God, bro. What the hell, dog? Oh no. Were you going fast?
I don't even know.
Yeah, I just seen your headlight for a second. Come on. Oh, your clip-on's broke, dog.
Oh shit.
That's bad.
I'm gonna ride.
No, you can ride it home.
Oh.
It's difficult though.
Oh man.
You're good. That's all that's broke. Your clip-on. That's it.
God damn it.
That's all good. We got to get it situated though.
Pull forward, please. I'm alright.
Okay, sir.
I'm alright.
I'm so sorry.
Let's just.
You all good, man? Hi.
Oh no.
They don't even care about me. Dang it, dude. I ain't got insurance on that damn thing.
Oh no. It's bike down there.
You alright? Yeah, I'm fine.
Where were you?
That other dude went off on the Harley. I had to pull over.
What?
With one leg, he went off the road. Dude, what the heck?
Hey, I'm just glad you're all right, man. I know, but hey,
No, that would've been alright.
you can replace that. Can't replace you. Better than a full dresser.
Oh my God. Kick you up the top of the hood. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Don't reach back here in the back. I cut myself good.
I knew it. I knew it. Damn. Oh, that's so bad. Damn, bro.
Say a little prayer this thing might help you out.
It looks like it's all right though.
Barely slid it. From there it went. Yep.
No, you're good.